Look outside, it's snowing again. Only in South Dakota, guys. It is snowing. I don't know if you can see it. I woke up 5 this morning and it's been snowing since then. And I would have loved to went out and shoveled my front thing here. Feel that drift, see? I can see it. Look at that. That's about a couple, 3 feet deep. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get that. And it's blowing and everything, and nasty crap crud out there. And today I was planning on taking the battery out of my truck because it's bad again. I replaced it exactly a year ago, almost the 16th of January of 2016, and the battery's shot already on it. So when I went to start it yesterday, it barely rolled over, and I tested the battery, it was at 9 volts or less. So the battery's shot in already. It's AC Delco. I don't really like them. I like Interstates better, but it has a warranty on it, so yeah. A free battery, you know. Oh, stupid. See, she starts, and then I'll have to get the new battery put in it today again. These batteries in these vehicles never last. It's not even a year old, well, almost. Let's see. Not starting too good, that's for sure. That's pretty weak. Yesterday, and look at how much it's charging. Yesterday when I started, it was down on 9 volts on the red, and the alternator is really yeah, this battery is shot. Battery on my camcorder's flashing now. I haven't charged that forever, and now that's flashing now. Everything's going wrong today as usual. Fucking Mother Nature. I don't know if I should get a gas or not. I'm gonna run here for a while. It's not that cold out yet. It will get cold. Yeah, look at that thing charging though. I mean, that's normal for it to do that. Well guys, I just left the auto mechanic garage, and he said my starter's going on here. So the battery checks out and the alternator checks out. So I mean, it's probably original, the starter, because it says 214,732 miles. So I'm just gonna guess it's a starter probably, and it could be the cold temperatures too. But we'll see how long she hangs in there, and when she quits, I guess. That's it. Tell her home, just like a Ford, right? Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later, I think. Oh man, it's just terrible out here. Just crazy. But I'd show you what it looks like out here, but there's drifts like so tall. There's about 10 million cars coming this way. Oh, I don't know how any car would even make it through here. So many drifts here. Yeah, it's pretty crazy, isn't it? So I'm not taking my car until the city crews are out here and plowed it here. Hopefully Shaheen's in here. My truck. Until the city crews get out here and get the thing plowed off here. Well, I'll just leave it right here. Good enough. City plows have to come around, so. Oh yeah, good enough. There's the beauty. Yeah, there she sits. Here it is. Yeah, all that fucking snow I hate. Goddamn snow. I'm so tired of it already. I can't wait for the tornadoes and hail now. That's how sick and tired I am of snow.